ebusianfo aha GhanaNsem TV GH. Make like, a comment, subscribe, then no notification no, so that anytime you post a video, it is a way I will share. Usambeka bia ma washe. Say efe, say yede, until there. Only me penia. Subscribe my why. Ne turn no notification. Notification a bell bia e was here home. To do some boss wa. Anytime you post a video, ube won alert no phone so say GhanaNsem TV GH I post video bi. Video no title na nie enti na wakwa share. Na yekwa asem ne mwe. Afenyo Markin, our minority leader, aka Afenyo Nightmare of NDC. Anopawe no kopie wo wuntimi Movement TV so. Movement TV so they belongs to Shema Wuntumi and the MPP station. And to okoyi nyama baku mienu anu ewo Movement TV. Na through that and all these and revelations be by. Number one and say according to Honorable Afenyo Markin, Supreme Court judge be efane phone. And of frere a minority deputy minority chief whip Jerry Ahmed. Ono see a lawyer. And I catch a lawyer and say, Omusho Munsu Yenyesa, they will make their lives unbearable. And to before Omu Abako Tinase, I was our committee level say, Omuko ye friend saying, a vetting, Nankophobia Dika Afre, Atreti no mood, Atreti omu, Dida. Afenyo Markin Sanka say, say your Mahama by a president no. Because of a Juma or no Afenyo Markin, a year of parliament, a holdy sa NDC government, sa incompetent government, sa no nothing government, sa wicked government, accountable no. Enteno, or must say, as objective say, Afenyo Markin ni law firm no, or mbe good sa law firm no. Na Afenyo Markin say, na onu die, on Sroshi, na ni yama MPP, ebeba back to power 2028 no, and one obeye. And to send this 4 pair, omungu ni law firm. Send this 4 pair, omunji ni ka NDC and this 4 pair, ni yire kwa mumbeji. Na, whatever is the case in there, he will not relent, he will not hold back. And I'm very happy, sir, Afenyo Markin has come to say this. Esan say, even in parliament, you know, as a majority leader, Mahama Yarigano, he has been trying everything possible to intimidate Afenyo Markin. Now, all over, even various ministers, they are all trying. They are trying to find debt on Afenyo Markin. As some of them fired in court, ma enye Juma. And I'm happy that the minority leader is still in good shape, mentally and physically, and is ready. He will not relent in his fight. He will not give up, and inshallah, victory will be ours. Let's go and see this interview that the minority leader had on Movement TV, and I'll see in the next one. With Momo, so that we can be buying more stuff, say microphones, no, any mixer, any data, and easy. And yes, sir, and to videos, no description, no, me number womb, any meeting, a womb, with me fasana bano, ascendi kakra, na they are data, they are yama. I mean, say, they be a muye na AFA, Madam Wase. See you in the next one. Cheers.
And no parke, the Nyoman no koye. Openi, Papa way, the sacrifice or sacrificing my party. Me fana year, and yan yankupon adoma, in Chamime school. And there, when did they we did 82. Oh man, IKSibu, Yame enkosu enshano. He's 82, the nearfra. He can't see. Oh. But he laid down his life for this party. Yes. What must I say? Yes. Me mama, no ye people teacher. And almost 31st December, 31st December. Nikunu, I am myself father say, hey, 31st, no, I NDC for the Rollins Nigeria movement. Until you move free. And omudi ni din cast our redeployment ho sa time na Rollins koji loan IMF sikasem ya mo say structural adjustment ni nyoma nti aban edwumayefo no monte so nti mami elusi na edwuma as a people teacher ni sikonya de kofa gari wo your friend say bcos enso togu so ema ebusua no ye ho kyerɛ I saw all of these. I'm saying say enye MPP ansan ka me ma me odi people teacher no. Nkobenya ni bibi kakra bosumi na me nso no na me
o papa nso be koso aye no.
Father ne ho beto na chese edwume meti ase o. So there's always an opportunity cost.
So decide so be edwuma.
Take a decision, you will suffer on something. Inti ye nuanu bi o mo feel so let us please our friends. Look, in politics, have a friend on the other side. Keep relationship, but keep your principle intact. Me say me wa down for NDC. Minim nkrofo wa NDC. Me so nkrofo see me as a friend, and that is it. But the friendship must have its boundaries. Keep good friendship, but they do politics and so let them know say this is your ideology. Yeah, MPP for Bronibe say yeah center right. Your center right ideology in free market, freedom, jejumadin, bonhumodin, mambranye juma na benefit from your hard work. That is MPP, rule of law. Yeah. So when there's party decision, it is party decision. And yes, I feel na party decision. Now if why I say we yare, na we jani, we there na we church or social media. Yes, I see say we ka won ka ho e bia wo protect wo profession na ye de sebi se hwe ye vetini Supreme Court judge be threatening Ahmed Shaib Jerry.
Okay.
Oh, you see the word say you are my nemesis. Ya na yem pese ye be press.
One of the Supreme Court justices.
Me na me ka chew me betumi ntina entwa nkontompo. O ka che ye nua Jerry straight in the face.
Because who say na be suruma o pass adia osahini yi.
Na me threatening dey bebe. Ebinu kra say o me law firm leader. No. Me say ye leader aye wo court na me say hu ni bibi. Me ka che nimpa kro no say court dey meko. Judge ofi say makama dwen e wa amembu hu asem obe rule against ruling against him e coming de me.
Abusa na do afidi
aso me law firm be collapse en collapse.
The opportunity cost.
Me say JB Dankwa so odwen ne hu ne comfort time a okunu na ne mba ebre owo prison
yeah.
Kofi Abrefa Buzia he could have lived in the comfort of Legon a lecture adwen ne hu otumfo chiame
bafo
akoto NLM npe mi bo mpenifo din a wo say yegume
yeah
omo de omo nkwato so ye papa buache jako ne papa Dombo Chief Dombo ne sacrifice here abayi fa kabo mpenifo titire je kufo be di president one ka de prison
okoda prison ebi koeza
bibi look politics ye dia kukuro na wo yese misro because nimpa na woni ni die se say wo tia say ya kensie nti ongo no mo homa wo say you should win ade dambotwemu as young as they were omo anye student politics all in the name of MPP omo ko exile
yes
amprechu mu nyina omo ndwane
omo koy
but ti ade na wieye no wo ye ni yi a enyi daso ho mpacho what am say if we don't fight for this our party wo se mentimi ho ase ene esi wo ekobie mu we cannot
ni nyina echi no say na you about Jacko kan no say wrong or good or bad my party first
of course the tie bia no NDC for ho omutumi kuntokwa saa but edu political decision they become one. That should tell you something. Inti no me pese and the party for no so tia say eko bia enyansafo bebre wo mu no eko na enko ne kai. Too many wise men in an organization doesn't give way for progress. Because nyansafo no do so obia wo nyansa. As I say edu baby me na ne kai o se kwa me na go da tinapa no mo bio. Me nana your friend esim roba
o se go ho se den
tinapa no mobio ono okan gumwa what you say what the fantasy
me nyanti
say won and dem ka wutwi wo so ka me fantasy bi me nana samre no na misua na misua na eya na mini nuanom ketua no me nkola agro ye die kontokwa no se jai tata ma me kira de o bontrase nti ojan ma na oba weekend nti abrewa na ohwe na ye otete yen kaka nkra nti eya na so ka bibi na se wonte wase na wusu na me nti ase no se hey kwamena go de tinapa no mobio. So I will tell you what tinapa is. Second fishy.
Yeah.
On the ubie enam no.
A tinapa no.
Enam no. Dompe no. Enam no do a soft.
Very soft.
Mia.
Okay. And what's some nanoka? Oh, okay.
So that's a metaphor.
I see.
What I
see. I was saying I find I do a video to say ne Osahim Alexander Kwame na Afenyo Markin needing command.
Abrewa say
go say tinapa and kasa
go yan ketwi ya ka fante.
Okay.
And tenu no e kon kasa. But original credit
but
also there go
away direct quotation
from grammar. Also go the tinapa no mobio.
Okay. Me fante back.
Ono ye go mon fante. Go the tinapa no mobio.
I see.
Na chede mpin kasa nya. Enwa mpiache na. Nti se yen nyinara MPP fo. Yen nyina ye nyansafo a party no nko ne kan. Iku biara no ebia wo leader, he may not be perfect. But ni nyina mu no awu wusu na wo ben wonze ye no would correct his imperfection. Iku bia no hye mo hye dem na mo kye mo adwen na eventually waso dam na yere kwa impio etase na so yehwe yemfa ya adwen ye den mboa oni ntina ne dam ka kire me nuanom MPs for parliament de look za ye bia no oye party ne ye se ye nyina ye nyansafo a iku no onko ne kan GhanaNsem was not a perfect leader, but the history will have it that with 61 he led them to victory. GhanaNsem had the creme de la creme in the caucus. A lawyer for a kukudam, diplomats, economists, great professionals, but they worked together.
Yes.
And by 2000, the party had gotten the trust of the people of Ghana. And they did win here. And I believe, say, we can repeat the same. And Andra, my member MPs in Abaso for the great show of unity and force. Apart from few MPs who are taking permission, say, Bibinti or Mutu Kwani are there. Andra say any NDC for Yetwaba.
Yeah.
Bajo. War Sir Chief Justice nomination. Yetwaba. Now we wanted to send a message to them. Yeah, they are 69. Omo they are 163. So one will say of all with all their noise. They couldn't marshal 189. And no no much that body late 30s.
Yeah.
And Omudinya 163. So it tells you something. That you claim you are super majority, but you don't have the numbers in real time. What I say? Yesterday we showed our strength. Yes, sir. Yenim say yen to me winning, but we need to make a statement. Two, who say NDC former tricks are no more using in ano. Boni are no more dino. They don't want their sins to be registered in public record. Inti ye must say, oh, a point of order.
Yeah.
Point of order. Are there no more here no? And so munim say we are trapping them for history. Inti no amun say, hey, ade ye di boni unso yen hwe you. They don't want their sins to be recorded in the history books.
Yeah.
Inti no mo ya na expand from the record. Expand because they omunim say ask for press conference there Ghana for ade che ombe wie befi. But when you are talking about Hansard we are hwe and it will be referred to it. Now yes so my tactical and played it safe to make sure say and seminole boni omudi no akọ Hansard. What I say? But Yama Chief Justice Tokonu they met to me a catcher and say onya kukudro on bompaye na ngugi watiengo ocho book bi ye friend whip no child na sa whip no child no kasa bi wom eno na me pesa no pay ode chichi ne re no hu se Ghana man tai nechi ohun se owo enkwai nyame ya adomo a ne nkunim die beba ngugi watiengo troye ewo whip no child or say weep not child, weep not my darling. With these cases, let me remove your tears. The ravening clouds shall not long be victorious. They shall not long possess the sky. The ravening clouds. These ravening clouds are some of your colleague judges, you know. You're more dead. You tuno. Mamino crown what to say. Some of your colleague judges have forgotten the principle. They have forgotten say adiano they are dealing with an organ of state. Now wouldn't be wa ye di wunia bonia eye wo dese wunia no kra no or ye say dakro mo de sa bonin bedu. We asi aye we wo hu say de ye wunia na wo fi say enye wo a e kire be yo nti ye ma mi tokonu anti geti nyabotre your redeemer liveth. Emani ya uyasa nimpa de seni yiwama. Emani ya uyasa wo colleagues at the Supreme Court de binum shada betina cameras nenim say omuntwan.
Yeah,
because they were proud.
Because last time I can say
they were proud. Yeah.
The history
one day. Yeah, the be yomu.
Anytime be a say be Chief Justice, be a court really protecting the Chief Justice. But this one, it seems the court gave her away.
It's not that the court gave her away. The court orchestrated it and activated it and pushed it because of personality contest. NDC, and that is how they trivialized and reduced the whole process to. And I'm saying, say, we are judge and de. Now we feel say, a toko no na ye wa. And say so many people have been promised.
Yeah.
Chief Justice. And so I'm for active on my interest. Oh, you know, say about football no or just 1 year or qua me na ye de mame. Why they say?
Yeah.
Say ya so opposition for ya na nam na ye tete. Ya nam ye tete. And the promises are being made. People are being promised. People are being assured. The ravening clouds shall not long be victorious. They shall not long possess the skies. And there are also some very good judges who have conscience. There are some judges who have conscience, who think that what is happening is bad. And some of them are even being bold about it publicly. Now, they don't mind. Some of them, yani omo kasa omo say, look, omo pea, omo so omo yi omo edi, omo pea, omo transfer omo nko, himfa, omo beko. No omo nim say, no kre echa, nen say, one day, they would get true justice.
I see. Yeah, but I find out do a video to us, leader of minority in Parliament, or sign him Alexander Kwamena.